Power Trick or Trade. Alright people, I got a quick video review. This is on January the 2nd, as of course Netflix making a great move. Let's quickly look here at what I posted inside of Power Group Trades. And you can see that we never confirmed based on volume, but we did confirm on price power. And you can see these options. I happen to list the options. They were $131 at the time of this particular close, people. Alright, so I'm out of that now. And of course, this is what I posted inside of Power Group Trades. Now you see we've had to pay more, right, people? Right? And this was on the 28th. So look at. Let me open this up. Netflix confirming in with the January 05 190 calls at 1.75. I mean, it depends on the thing. Various entries could have been. A person could have got it at 1.70 or 1.90. It really doesn't matter. The key is it was a powerful plan. You can pause the video to see what I said, or come on this, because this is posted again inside of Power Group Trades. And of course, you can see that I posted this in my locked account, people, for my serious, listen people carefully, serious followers. I mean, I've been posting great plans on Power Trick or Trade throughout the whole year, easy for perfect access. But lately, I've been doing it for the serious followers only, as I've been really busy. Alright, so let's just take a look at, as you can see, Netflix is at 201.26 at 3:27 p.m. Here's the January calls. Now you can see now what the 190 calls are now. 1,130. So at $1,135, right? $1,135, we'll say. And this is just right now, right? I mean, these are 600% gains, people. I mean, that's what this is. There it is, people. Look carefully in the beginning of the video. Look what I posted. You can press pause and check it out for yourself, people. But it's Power Trick or Trade, people. The big. Well, let me show you here. Well, here's my website, people, and I'm going to show you now. This is a great video, of course, as well. I did a review. I got to probably post this one in here now. Someone witness the power. yeah. See, people. Oh yeah. What a. Look at this nice site. Look at the nice water. Oh yeah. Subscribe button here. But let me show you. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades. This is the video. This is my website link here, and then for the Power Trick or Trade on Twitter. You want to become a follower. You want to subscribe on Power Trick or Trade Twitter. You also want to subscribe to this YouTube channel because, people, listen carefully. I do live streams. Power Trick or Trade speaks. You heard that right, people? I'm talking really in the mic here. I speak. That's right. I talk the facts. And you can see the stories here. The last Netflix super plan over here from last year. Okay, people. All documented in my creative playlist. Listen, people, there's nobody, and I mean, listen carefully, people, nobody that does it like Power Trick or Trade. Nobody. You found gold. Don't be lazy. Wake up, smell the cafe. Study how to become a special follower, serious follower, and do what the video says, word for damn word, people. In the meantime, subscribe to this channel. Or if you don't have a YouTube account, open one and come and do it manually. Hit the subscribe button. Capiche? If you have a YouTube account, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. Listen, people, right inside this video. Power Trick or Trade, people. Power Trick or Trade. Alright, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like